Hello dear children, all you are welcome in today's maths class. So students, today we are going to do like decimals and unlike decimal. Okay, you all know that about whole number part and decimal part. Okay, look, if we have a number 36.2, so it means before point here it is 36. So 36 is a whole number part, and after point if you will look here it is 2. It means after point this part is decimal part. So 2 is a decimal part and 36 is a whole number part. Next question is 4.85. So here 4 is a whole part and 85 this comes after point. So it means 85 is a decimal part. In this way, in this decimal number, 61 is a whole number part and 059 is a decimal part. This thing we have discussed already in our live class. So students, now the main topic is what is like fraction and what is unlike fraction. So students, how to check that if we have two numbers? Look here, there are many numbers. Look here. There are many different decimal numbers. So now students, how to check that these are like decimals or unlike decimals? I will tell you. So students, if we have the same number of decimal places, it means that numbers are like decimals. If I will give you an example like 0.6, 20.52. These two examples. Look here students, it is a like fraction or not. So how to check that? Check the numbers that comes after point. So here in 0.61 there are two numbers. It means there are two numbers. Now in 20.52 here again two numbers after decimal. So it means these two decimal numbers are like decimals. How? Because the main thing is we will check the decimal part only. If the decimal part, the number of digits in decimal parts is equal, then it means that is a like fraction. Now look in this box here, 0.38, 17.86, 0.05, 110.83, 58.11, 965.03. It means here all these decimal parts have two digits. Okay. After decimal two digits in every decimal number, it means these all are like decimals. This is the way. No matter that how many digits after decimal or how many digits in a whole number part. Okay, look here in a whole number part 0, here 17, here 0, here 110, here 58, here 968. So we will not compare the whole number part, we will compare only the decimal part. Decimal part means after point how many digits. If after point the number of digits are same, it means that is a like decimal. I think it is clear to all of you. Now let us discuss about unlike decimal. So students, in unlike decimal, we have different number of decimal places. Okay, it means after point we have a different number of places, or we can say that in a decimal part we have a different number of places. Look here, after decimal here 3 digits, after decimal here 1, here 2, here 1. It means everything is different here after decimal. In decimal part, every decimal number have different decimal places or different decimal digits. It means these all are unlike decimals. No matter that in a whole part how many digits here, no matter. Only we will check the decimal part. So this is called unlike decimal. Now let us do questions. Students, this is a question number 1 of worksheet 5. Encircle the pair of like decimal. How to encircle the pair of like decimal? Look here, first question is 3.5 and 1.68. You all know what is like decimal and what is unlike decimal. So if the number of digits after decimal same here, it means that is a like decimal. So look here, here after decimal 1 digit and here after decimal 2 digits. It means this is not a like decimal, this is a unlike decimal. So we will not encircle this. In B part it is 11.27 and it is 7.831. Look here, after decimal here 2 digits and here after decimal 3 digits. It means it is also unlike decimal. So we will not encircle it also. Next, here it is 16.8 and here it is 7.3. It means after decimal here 1 digit and here again 1 digit. It means these both are like decimals. So we will encircle this. These are like decimal. In next part, look here, D part 1.38 to 21.678. Again students, here after point 3 digit, it means this is a like decimal. In the next part, it is not a like decimal, so we will not encircle. It is again like decimal. After point, compare the number of digits 3. It is also like decimal. G part, it is not like decimal. H part is not like decimal. I part is not like decimal. So it means these 3 decimal numbers are called like decimal. I hope all of you understood first part. Let us do question number 2. First of all, let us discuss the introduction part of question number 2. Then we will do second question. Look here students, now converting unlike decimals into like decimal. Okay, you all know what is like decimal, what is unlike decimal. Now I will tell you that how to convert unlike decimal to like decimal. Okay, we can convert. Students, if we have a number, I am giving you example here. If we have a number 0.5, okay, and we want we have this number and one more number I will take 0.67. 0.67. Can we say that this is like decimal? No, we can't say. Why? Because in 0.5 after decimal here only 1 digit and in 0.67 after decimal here 2 digits. So in decimal parts the number of digits are not same. It means it is not a like decimal. Now we can convert this unlike decimal to like decimal. How to convert? Look here. If in 67 it here 2 digits, so we will make 0.5 here after point we will make 2 digits. How to make now students? Look here, for making 0.5 after point 2 digits we can write 0 after point. We can write 0 after point. Okay. Now look here, 0.50 and 0.67. Now we can say that these both are like decimal. Okay, so this is the way. Look here now in book, here it is given 0.7 and 0.361. Look here in 7, 0.7 here only 1 digit after point and here after point 3 digits. So how to convert? We have to make this 0.7 after point, here we have to make 3 digits. So we can write 2 zeros after point. Okay, look here. Here 7 it has 1 decimal place and here it has 3 decimal places. So we have to make here 3 decimal places. Then we can say that these are like fraction. If there is only 1 decimal place, there are 3 decimal places, it means these are unlike decimals. Now how to convert? Now students, we will write 2 zeros after 7. Okay, it is 0.700 and it is 0.361, so we will write as it is. Okay, now these two decimal numbers are like decimals. Okay, look here, here it is written, adding 0 to the right of the decimal number does not change its value. If you will add 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros on the decimal right side, then it will not change its value. Okay, the value remains same. You can write many zeros here. So now these are like decimals. In this way you can write the numbers in a like decimal. Now let us do students questions. Look here in question number 2, convert into a group of a like decimal. We have to convert here all these decimal numbers in a like decimal. First of all, we will check here which decimal part have more digits. Look here. Here 1 digit, here 3 digit, here 2 digit, here 2 digit. So it means 31.628 have more digits in decimal part. So we will make here in 1.8 3 digits, in 17.26 after in a decimal part 3 digits, in 5.01 3 digits. So how to make? Look here, as I told you that we can add 2 zeros, 3 zeros in the right side of a decimal. Okay, because as we have discussed, that value will not be changed. So now students, we want to make here 3 digits after decimal. So we can write here 1.8, 2 zeros we will add here, 1 2. Now the next number 31.629, it is, we will write as it is 31.629 because here already 3 digits after point. Next is 17.26, so we will add 1 zero here because here how many zeros? Because here only we have in next number 17.26 we have to add 1 zero, then it is now 3 digits. Okay, after point. In next number 5.01, 2 digits already here in decimal part, so we will write only 1 zero here. Okay, now these all are like decimals. Now let us take students B part. B part here 405.3, 45.38, 45.03, 45.8. Check here that which decimal number have a decimal part more digits. So 2 digits here and 2 digits here after point. Okay, so we have to make here also 405.3, also we have to make a decimal part 2 digits, and here also. So then if we will add 110, or if we will make this decimal part here 2 digits, then it will become a like fraction. Okay, so in 405.3 what we will do, we will add 1 zero here, 405.30. Next digit 45.38, here already 2 digits, so no need to change it, write down it as it is. Next is 45.03, we will write it as it is also. Next is 45.8, we have to add here 1 zero. Okay, 45.8 we have to add 1 zero here. So this is the answer of B part. Students, in this way do the next parts. Okay, look here, here 3 digits after point, here 1, here 1, here 2. So the number of digits, this decimal number have more number of digits after point. So we will make 3 because this number have 3 digits after point. So we will make 3 digits here, 3 digits here, 3 digits here. So we will add zeros according to the decimal part. I hope all of you have understood this. So do worksheet 5, and if any doubt, then we will discuss in live class. Thank you.